stop. If you're thinking about buying AudioPilot, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another AI voice or audiobook tool. AudioPilot claims it can take a simple idea and turn it into a professionally narrated, packaged, and publish-ready audiobook, with the heavy lifting handled by AI. So here's the big question. Is AudioPilot really the future of audiobook publishing, or just another hyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what AudioPilot is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab AudioPilot through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $999 absolutely free. What is AudioPilot? AudioPilot is designed around one simple idea. Give it an idea, and let AI handle the production workflow. You choose a genre, enter your topic or concept, select your preferences, and the platform is designed to generate the audiobook script, narration, audio production, cover, and metadata. It also includes a trend finder, series creation tools, commercial rights, cloud-based access, training, and support. AudioPilot says it can distribute audiobooks across platforms including Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, Everend, and others. Benefits. Why people are interested. Automation. One idea to complete audiobook. Global reach. Published to Audible, Spotify, Apple Books, and more. Passive royalties. Earn while you sleep. Commercial license. Create audiobooks for clients and keep 100% profit. Beginner-friendly. No writing, recording, or editing required. Inside AudioPilot, you're getting AI script generator for fiction and nonfiction, premium AI voices, male and female, multiple accents, audio production suite with music and effects, cover design plus metadata optimizer, one-click publishing to 20+ platforms, royalty dashboard to track earnings, commercial license included, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete audiobook publishing system, not just text generation, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited audiobooks, unlimited niches, commercial license for agencies and freelancers. Cons. No guaranteed income. Results depend on your niche and consistency. Results. What to expect. Expect faster publishing, more consistent output, and growing royalty streams. Authors. Publish audiobooks without narrators or studios. Entrepreneurs. Build faceless audiobook businesses across niches. Agencies. Offer audiobook creation services to clients. AudioPilot turns every idea into a permanent royalty asset on 20+ platforms. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab AudioPilot through the link below. Bonus 1. Audiobook Profit Blueprint. Value $499. Step-by-step roadmap to publish 10 profitable audiobooks in your first 30 days. Bonus 2. Client Audiobook Agency Kit. Value $500. Templates, scripts, and pricing strategies to sell audiobook creation as a service. Total bonus value, $999. Yours free. When you get AudioPilot through my link today. So, is AudioPilot worth it? If you want to publish audiobooks without writing, recording, or editing headaches, then yes, AudioPilot is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure AudioPilot plus my $999 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.